Today we're going to take a look at some of the advanced features that you can do within Prezi. One of the really cool things you can do is you can insert a YouTube video directly. So I actually have a YouTube link already copied and pasted. So what I do is I just paste it in here and click insert, and it will allow me then to embed my video here. Now one thing that you'll notice is that it doesn't show up here in my navigation. So what you do is you right click on it and you add it to your path, which then brings it over here. You can see here it's number 9. But let's say that I have some text in here, and after reading that I want to zoom into my video. I could go to my navigation on the side and drag it right up to number 3. So now you can see what it does is it's going to go straight from the text directly to that video. So that's a pretty neat thing that you can do within Prezi. Very similar to the insert function of adding an image. Let's say I want to add an image of Prezi. So what it does is it searches Google Images. You just drag your image right over. Another thing you're able to do on Prezi, you're able to fully customize your theme. Customizing will change your theme's background, your theme's fonts, your theme's colors. And what I did is I clicked up here on the top on Customize. The other things you can do on Prezi, you can add layouts. So I went up top to Insert and I go to Layouts. And on the left you'll get several different slide layouts. And here's one way that I think it's much better than PowerPoint. The layouts can indicate different things, but you can do multi-frame layouts. So there's single frame, which I'll show you one of those here. So let's say I want a circle with a picture. But then multi-frame, you can indicate certain different things with your slides. So let's say we want to indicate some sort of relationship between some ideas. It's sort of a Venn diagram here. And the nice thing is you could create something like this within PowerPoint or create this on your own with just some frames. But if you look here on the navigation path on the left here, it automatically adds all of my transitions and all of my text. So if I clicked on that, you'll see it click to add text, and it's got everything already embedded, which is really, really nice. It makes it really easy to create and show that relationship between ideas. I can insert some background music if I wanted to play some music while I'm presenting or on a certain slide. You can also add some symbols or shapes, which you'll see there's several different types here. They show up on the left depending on what you'd like to show. And there are some very, very good ones that you could use in your presentations to indicate certain things. If you have a video file on your computer and you would like to upload it to Prezi, you go to Insert and you go from File. Tell it that which file you would like to upload. It might take a minute. I'm uploading the first Prezi tutorial that I did, and it will embed it right into your Prezi. This is nice because it doesn't force you to upload to YouTube. What it does is it embeds it directly into your Prezi, so you're not relying on YouTube servers. And if you don't want your video on YouTube for whatever reason, you don't have to put it there. Now while this is loading, I'm going to go ahead and show you a few other things you can do. Insert, draw arrow. If you want to indicate a path or a direction to something, you can change the style of this, which is based on your theme. So you can change the style based on what colors are present in your theme. So we're going to stick with red so you can see it a little bit better here. You can also change the size, so the thickness, with these buttons right here. So I want a nice big arrow there pointing directly to my video. I'd like to show you how to add more frames. This is bordering on a basic Prezi feature you might need to see is how to add things to your path. So here there are different types of frames: bracket, circle, rectangle, or invisible. I'm going to show you two things. I'll show you the circle, rectangle, or bracket. They're all the same, but invisible is slightly different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the circle and drag it over here. So you can see there it added my circle frame. Looking on my path, you'll notice that it's not there yet. So if I add a frame, you do want to add it to your path. So I'm going ahead and right click and add it to my path. So now I can click on my path and it will zoom straight to that. Well, let's say that I want to zoom into that particular spot. I want to have the reader kind of zoom into that text. Well, there's a few easy ways. First easy way is you click Add to Path. Now it zooms in directly to that. The other way is if you would like it to zoom into something that might not be a piece of text, or let's say that you have an image, we want to zoom into this person. Not the whole image, we want to zoom into this person who's climbing here. We would go to Invisible Frame, And we're going to move it over here. And here you can drag it, and we're going to make it right there. And then we're going to add that invisible frame to our path. So once we do that, what it'll look like, you'll go from this slide and then it zooms directly into there. That wraps up some of the advanced features of Prezi. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Thanks.